everyone, welcome. So in today's video I'm doing lots of cleaning. I have this sense of like urgency to get all kinds of cleaning done before the baby gets here. I am 39 weeks pregnant so far, so I feel like I just need to get things done. So I'm going to show you guys a list of what I'm doing today, also the products I'm using, which are right there, and then we're going to go ahead and get started. I have a lot planned today. My in-laws are watching Michael while I do this for about 3 hours or so, so I'm hoping to get it all done. If I don't, that's okay, maybe, but I'm hoping that 3 hours will give me enough time to get it all done. What I plan on doing today is basically what I like to do on a monthly basis. I'm just gonna do it all like today, or at least attempt to. I wanna clean the doors, I wanna clean our fans, I wanna vacuum our couches and vacuum under our couches. I wanna clean our kitchen window because our kitchen window gets super dirty. And then I also wanna clean all the other windows in the house. I want to clean the baseboards and the crown molding on the top. I also want to spot clean the walls or try to clean them as well as possible. And then I want to clean the blinds. So that's what we're doing today. And then what I'm using, I'm actually using this. This is actually a Lysol and water mixture. And I'm going to use this for the walls. I'm using Windex to clean the windows and like the window seals. And then I'm going to use this to probably take off all like the cobwebs that are like all everywhere on the walls, like in the corners of the walls. This is from Dollar Tree. And then these fuzzy socks I'm going to use to clean either the blinds or to help take off some of the cobwebs as well. And then these are chamois from Dollar Tree that I just cut up to fit the Swiffer. And then I'm going to use these to clean the walls with my Swiffer so that I don't have to like be up and down on a stool the whole time. actually really tired right now. So I'm gonna take like a 5-minute break and eat a little snack, drink some water. I think I'm done cleaning the walls. I just wanted to do like the main rooms and the hallway. The hallway was kind of tricky to film in, so I didn't film that part, but I did clean the hallway, the walls, the baseboards, the crown molding, all that, and I did the same thing for all of the living room and the kitchen. So I'm gonna take a break, and then after that I'm gonna clean the doors and clean the windows in the bedrooms along with the window here in the kitchen, and then we'll move on. It's 10:45 and I'm tired. all done. I cleaned the doors, I cleaned the fan, I vacuumed the couches and under the couches. I cleaned the kitchen window and the windows. I cleaned the baseboards, I cleaned the walls, and I cleaned the blinds. So, I think that's pretty good. We did really good today, guys. I do have to admit that I am exhausted, and it's 11:54, so the timing wasn't too bad. But I do feel really tired. So I am going to grab some lunch, relax for a little bit, and then go pick up Michael from his grandparents' house and call it a day. And I'm gonna sit my butt down and I'm not gonna do nothing the rest of the day. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it gave you some motivation to get some things done in your house. You just need, you know, a couple of minutes to get things done, or in my case, a couple of hours. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next one.